Hello, I'm Henderson, Programming Manager for the Williams County Public Library. January brings us many things. New year, new me, resolutions to be broken, the hope of spring to come. If you live in the Midwest, January will inevitably bring memories and nostalgia of the blizzard of 1978. For 3 days in January of that year, much of the Midwest and New England were pummeled by snowstorms that reached record levels. In many areas of the state, the snowfall was measured in feet rather than inches. Motorists were stranded, school events canceled, and events postponed. Late on Tuesday, January 24, 1978, surface maps revealed a moisture-laden Gulf low-pressure system developing over the southern United States, while a separate and unrelated low-pressure system was present over the upper Midwest. A powerful Arctic jet stream containing a wind maximum of 110 knots surged straight through south through the Great Northern Plains with a powerful subtropical jet containing a wind max of 130 knots moved south through Arizona. Both during the time a huge upper ridge of high pressure forced the Pacific jet north into northern Canada. These Arctic and subtropical jet streams merged with a maximum wind of 150 knots, which led the deepening Gulf low-pressure system. The storm initially began as rain, but quickly changed to heavy snow during the pre-dawn hours as Arctic air deepened ahead of the storm, leading to frequent whiteouts and zero visibility during the day on January 26th. As the storm headed for Ohio, it was, quote, of unprecedented magnitude, end quote, according to the National Weather Service, which categorized it as a rare, severe blizzard, the severest grade of winter storm. Particularly hard hit were Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, Michigan, Ohio, and southeast Wisconsin. Muskegon, Michigan had up to 33.8 inches of snow. In 4 days, due to heavy lake effect snow, squalls after the blizzard began, winds gusting up to 111 miles per hour. It caused drifts that nearly buried some homes. Wind chill values reached minus 60 degrees Fahrenheit across much of Ohio, where 51 of at least 90 storm-related deaths occurred. Temperatures fell 30 degrees in 2 hours, and the snow, well, it was relentless. The blizzard of 1978 was in fact 3 snowstorms, one after another. 51 people died in Ohio, and snow lingered in piles until the end of March. Why is the blizzard of 1978 remembered? There have been larger, more fatal blizzards since. In that fateful year, with inflation, international unrest, and a sense of anxiety here in the United States, the blizzards seemed to be the physical manifestation of all our ills. And yet, neighbor helped neighbor. Restaurants opened their doors to the stranded, and a feeling that we were all in it together prevailed. As for me, I was only 8 years old when the blizzard hit, and I have few memories of it. But to people of a certain age, it still stirs memories. Maybe as a friend of mine once said, once the boomers are gone, the blizzard of 1978 will just be another snowstorm. But until then, the fascination and reminiscence of this weather event may strike some as oddly peculiar.